Students, today we are going to see example 1.10 and 1.11. Before that, I want to show, or we are going to see the definition of orthogonal. The definition of orthogonal. Okay, come, let's see. So, orthogonal means a square matrix A is called orthogonal. It satisfies this condition. Okay, it satisfies this condition, then A is said to be a orthogonal. So A into A transpose, or A transpose into A, if we get unit matrix, it's A is said to be a orthogonal matrix. A is orthogonal. Okay, but see the condition carefully. Already we saw that same model 1 formula. I want to remind that. So that is A into A transpose, A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to unit matrix. So compare these two equations. From this, A transpose and A inverse value are equal. When if A is orthogonal, then A transpose is equal to A inverse. Okay, let's see example sum for orthogonal model. So this is the condition. Okay, so example 1.11, A matrix is given. One matrix is given. Actually, we assume that is A matrix, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. You want to prove that matrix is orthogonal. You want to prove that matrix is orthogonal. Okay, so I already told you, we assume that the given matrix has A value. The given matrix has A. So therefore let A matrix equal to cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. So this is A transpose. So A transpose, you know that how to find A transpose. Change row into column, column into row. So that is A transpose value. Then A transpose value. Okay, they are asking to find is orthogonal. So if it is orthogonal, it satisfies one condition. Which condition? A into A transpose, and A transpose into A, we get unit matrix of order 2. Unit matrix of order 2. It satisfies the conditions. Then we say that it's A is orthogonal. Okay. So first you want to multiply A matrix into A transpose. A matrix into A transpose. Okay. Come, let's see. So A matrix cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. So I already told you, row into column, cos theta, sin theta. So we change row into column. So that is called transpose matrix. Okay, here we do normal matrix multiplication. So let's see, row column, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus into minus plus sin square theta. Okay, next, cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta, minus cos theta into sin theta, minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, so next, same, sin theta into cos theta, cos theta into minus sin theta, minus cos theta sin theta. Okay, next sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So we know that these value by trigonometry identities, these values are 1. Sin square plus cos square or cos square plus sin square equal to 1. So here plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cancel 0. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta cancel. Here also value 0. So therefore the remaining matrix is 1 0 0 1. So equal to unit matrix of order 2. Therefore it satisfies the condition, any one condition. So it's enough to prove that it's a orthogonal. So if we multiply A transfers to A, we get unit matrix, then we say that A is a orthogonal. So similarly in next step yourself do it. A transfers into A value, A transfers into A value, A transfers into A matrix. Okay, so next அது multiply பண்ணி பாருங்க, you get unit matrix. Okay, you get unit matrix. So next you are doing yourself multiplying A transfers into A transfers into A. So A transfers into A means, so cos theta sin theta minus sin theta plus cos theta into A matrix cos theta minus sin theta sin theta cos theta. Okay, so multiply and you will get same unit matrix. After only you should write the answer. After only you should write the answer. So you want to prove that here the book itself they given only one proof, the other proof yourself you can do it. Then after only you should write the answer from 1 and 2. A into A transfers equal to A transfers into A equal to unit matrix. So this proof only given in book. So this proof yourself do it. Okay, it's very easy only. So equal to unit matrix of order 2. So it satisfies the orthogonal condition. Therefore A is orthogonal. Okay, it's very important 2 mark question, sometimes asked in 3 mark. Okay, let's see example 1.12. So A equal to A equal to 1 by 7 into 6 minus 3A B minus 2 6 2C 3. Okay, so it's given it's orthogonal, it satisfies the orthogonal condition. Then find A B C and hence find A inverse. So it's orthogonal means it's enough to find A transverse is equal to A inverse value. Okay, so this is not a problem, but we want to find A B C values. Okay, so let's see A B C value. So we want to find A B C values. Okay, by using orthogonal condition. So in question they given A is orthogonal. We know that if it is orthogonal, it satisfies A into A transverse and A transverse into A equal to unit matrix. Here given matrix is order 3, therefore we take I3. Okay, so it satisfies that condition, we substitute that values. So A into A transverse equal to, by the condition A into A transverse equal to I3. Okay, so A value, A matrix the given 1 by 7 into, we took any one formula, any one equivalent, then we prove that. So first I take A into A transverse equal to I3. So A value is 1 by 7 into 6 minus 3 A B minus 2 6 2 C 3. Okay, so if we take transverse row into column, 6 minus 3 A B minus 2 6 B minus 2 6 2 C3 2 C3. Okay, so if you multiply, what you get equal to unit matrix I3. So I3 value 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so I repeat, this is we took from orthogonal condition. So we know that if A is orthogonal, it satisfies the condition A into A transverse equal to unit matrix. So A into A transverse equal to unit matrix. So we took that formula. So we substitute the value. So this is A matrix, A transverse matrix equal to unit matrix of order 3. So here we multiply. So 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49. Okay, 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49. Bring that 49 to other side. Okay, bring that 49 into other side. So it becomes multiplication. Okay, so 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49. So we get 49 to here. So it becomes multiplication. Then normal matrix multiplication method. Okay, normal matrix multiplication method. 6 6 are 46, 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus 9, 36 plus 9, A into A square. Like that, this is normal matrix multiplication. Okay, so next equal to 49 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we get equating if two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements also equal. So from these, so we take 45 plus A square equal to 1 into 49. 1 into 49. Okay, next B square plus 40 equal to 49. C square plus 13 equal to 49. Okay, so again remaining equations are 6a plus 6 plus 6a equal to 0. Yeah, 3a minus 3c plus 12 equal to 0. So this is already we took. So here we take equal to 0. Okay, if you multiply 0 to 49, 0 only. So 49 get 2 into the bracket, we get 49 here, 49. Okay, 49. Okay, so equating these value only equal 49, the other things equal to 0. Okay, so if we take C, this is from these, A square equal to 49 minus 45. Transform 49 that side, then A square equal to 49 minus 45. Okay, I repeat, from this equation A square equal to, already 49 is there, and transform 45, so equal to 4. Next, B square equal to, already 49 is there, plus minus 40, then equal to plus 9. Okay, next c square equal to 49 minus 13. 49 minus 13, 36. So a square equal to 4, a equal to plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. A square equal to 4, b square equal to 9, c square equal to 36. Okay, from that, and second conditions, here what they given, if a square equal to 4, then a equal to plus or minus 2, b square equal to 9, then b value is plus or minus 3, and c square equal to 36, then c equal to plus or minus 6. So that is two values of a, b, c, but we need one value. So we verify that remaining equation, we get one value. Okay, so 6a plus 6b plus equal to minus 6. So plus 6 transform பண்ணும்போது minus 6. So all equations multiple by 6, therefore divide by 6, then it becomes a plus b equal to minus 1. I repeat. So we know that the remaining equations are, so 6a here all terms is multiple of 6, so divide by 6, we get b plus 1 plus a equal to 0. We transform 1 that side, so this is become a plus b equal to minus 1. Okay, a plus b equal to minus 1 means, if you take a value 2, b value plus 3, then a plus b equal to 5. Okay, so we get 5, but we need minus 1. So minus 1 means a value 2, b value minus 3, we get a equal to minus 1. Okay, so therefore a value is plus 2, b value is minus 3. Okay, so from these again substitute that value. We know that a value, so substitute a value in that second equation, this equation, then it becomes 12 minus 3c plus 3 into a value we found 2 only, so 2 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 12, 18. 18 minus 3c equal to 0, minus 3c equal to minus 3c equal to minus 18, then minus minus cancel, c equal to 18 by 3, so equal to c equal to plus 6. C equal to plus 6. Here usually we put plus values only. A square 4 means a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 6. இது போட்டுட்டு போயிடும். But in this sum it satisfies this condition. Actually a square equal to 4 means a equal to plus or minus, b equal to plus or minus, c equal to plus or minus. So plus value and minus value also there, but we need to take only one value. We need to take only one value. So again I tell you how to find that abc value. I take these first three equations, so from that I found a square value, a square, b square, c square, and a square equal to 4 means then a equal to plus or minus 2, b equal to plus or minus 3, c equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, So I take this equation, so divide by 6 and transform 1 that side, so it becomes a plus b equal to minus 1. A plus b equal to minus 1. So compare this equation, we substitute that values, a value plus 2, b value plus 3, it means it becomes plus 5. Suppose minus 2 plus 3 means we get plus 1. So we need 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 only we get minus 1. Therefore a value 2, b value minus 3. Next substitute a or c value in remaining equation, we get a or b value, substitute these equations. Okay, yeah, so you get c value. Okay, so in finally we got ABC value. So a value is 2, b value minus 3, c value 6. Okay, so we get a equal to 1 by 7 into we replace a b c value in question. So this is the question. So we replace a b value, a value 2, b value minus 3 and c value plus 6. Okay, so then a value becomes, so a value becomes 1 by 7 into 6 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 6 2 6 3. Okay, from these we want to find a inverse. So a is orthogonal, it's enough to find a transpose. Okay, so a transpose, we know that in this matrix transpose value is a inverse. So 1 by 7 into, so row column எல்லாம் 6 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 6 and 2 6 3. This is the required A inverse value. Okay, wow. A inverse equal to A transverse. It's very important sum and easy one. It's 3 more question. It's very easy one. Okay.